Wow, where do we start with this little beauty? It is absolutely fabulous. This is a Jaguar X Type diesel estate. It's a 2.2 diesel sovereign. It is just beautiful. Direct in part exchange from the last owner who's upgraded it to an XF from ourselves. Ionian Blue metallic. It is absolutely stunning, this car is. Look at that gorgeous colour. The car is absolutely outstanding. It's 2009 on a 59 plate. This really is a bit of a one-off. Not many of these about in this condition, this mileage and this specification. 2.2 diesel, automatic gearbox. So there we have the sovereign model. Rear parking sensors, all the loading area, absolutely beautiful, unmarked, no damage there at all. Gorgeous inside, massive boot on it. Look at this beautiful combination, full beige leather upholstery, attention to detail with all the piping on there, which I'll show you a bit closer of. Rear luggage protection. All the boot nice and clean, additional storage under there, and a brand new spare wheel just tucked under there. Full service history, 11 stamps in the book. That's right, 11 service stamps in the book. Again, look at that colour. Beautiful when the sun catches it. The metallic shimmering. All the bodywork down the sides, no dents, no scratches, no scuffs, no little dings. To make it perfect, we've had all the wheels professionally sandblasted and powder coated and fitted 2 Pirelli brand new tyres to match the rears all the way around. So those wheels totally unmarked, like brand new, in fact probably better than new. As I mentioned, the Pirelli tyres, front parking sensors, headlight power washers. Again, a very close up of the front. There's a big cat on the bonnet. The odd related stone chip for the years, but nothing major at all. It is absolutely beautiful, and that's why we do the videos, to show you the real close-ups, to give you the confidence to buy this car unseen if you so wished, and you would not be disappointed to see it in the flesh. Got the black roof rails, and I absolutely love the combination. Full beige leather upholstery, nice walnut trim. Again, all the trim in great condition. Look at that leather. It is absolutely gorgeous, it really is. Non-smoker's car, no nasty smells, all the trims absolutely perfect. Centre armrest with a couple of cup holders in there for you. This car needs to be seen to be appreciated. The last owner has given me lots and lots of paperwork with the service history, lots of invoices, lots of old MOTs, so you know exactly how well the vehicle has been cherished. Again, all the trims, door trims, great condition, Alpine stereo, upgrade, electric windows, electric mirrors, folding mirrors, leather and wood multifunction steering wheel. Again, just look at that beautiful cockpit. Electric seats, memory seats. The upholstery is in great condition. I'll just move the seat belt out of the way just to show you. Nothing's hidden under there. Look at that, the condition of that. Could almost smell the leather. Centre armrest and storage. 2-stage. Get a couple of cup holders at the front. Look at the piping, the attention to detail, all the wood trim, all the dashboard, no damage to the trims, marks, anything like that on there. It is just gorgeous. And look at the amazing mileage of just 66,000 miles, 66,429. 2009 car, remember that, 66, very, very low mileage for its age. Great stereo system. Nice dashboard layout there, all at your finger touch. Very easy to navigate all the way around. Stereo CD, you've got Bluetooth, climate control controls as well there. Satellite navigation, again touch screen. So easy. Menu just to get the car set up exactly how you wanted. Heated front windscreen as well. CD player, climate control. The automatic gearbox, you can just put it in drive or across to the left to drive it like a manual. Most people just tend to leave it in drive. Voice activation. Radio. Again, just makes it easier to drive with the voice activation and select navigation, radio, whatever you wanted. Got cruise control on there. Onboard computer to tell you miles per gallon, average speed, fuel range. Electric folding mirrors. What a beauty, very, very rare. 2 sets of keys, complete book pack, full HPI checked and clear. Absolutely outstanding condition for its age and mileage. This really is a one-off. If you want it, don't think about it too long. As they say, once it's gone, it's gone. Part exchange always welcome. And we do the videos to show you we have nothing to hide, fully transparent. Give you the confidence to buy this car from the comfort of your armchair. Not many dealers will go to this sort of attention to detail to show you the whole vehicle. You can click and reserve this car off our website 24/7. So if you fancy it at 2 o'clock in the morning, simply click and reserve it. And don't forget our full money back guarantee. If you reserve it and you feel the car is not as described when you arrive, we'll give you money back, no questions asked. Read about our raving fans reviews and you see why customers come back to us time and time again. Specialist Cars based in Stoke-on-Trent, a multi-award-winning dealer. We have full on-site facilities for servicing, repairs, MOT, tyres. Any further information, please give us a call on 01782 822 700. So why should you buy your car off me? Very simple. We've been established since 1997 and our full way of transparency is to show to you how nice all our cars are. So rather than just comparing prices, we urge you to compare the specification, the condition and who you're dealing with. Read about our raving fans review and you'll understand why customers come back to us time and time again over generations. We have full on-site facilities for servicing, repairs, MOTs. Every single car goes through our workshop before you buy it. All are full HPI checked to ensure there's no outstanding finance, there's no damage, not been stolen. That gives you the confidence to know that that car is absolutely perfect. Why not follow us on Facebook? You'll get full updates of every single car, or exactly what's going on in the premises here. You can buy any of our vehicles 24/7 off our website. Click and reserve, come and collect. Alternatively, we can arrange home delivery. Buy it from the comfort of your armchair. Simple as that. With the full video, you know exactly what you're going to get. No nasty surprises. Check out our YouTube channel. Follow us on there and you will get update of every single car as soon as it arrives in. Here to help you. Give us a call 01782 822 700.